There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in. Hi folks, welcome back to another video of Artisan Reads. Being insanely in love with candles, today I'll be sharing a practice that I follow periodically, usually during the festive seasons, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, etc. I upcycle the existing candles. Usually, when we buy the fragranted candles, it is not completely burnt, so some portion of it is left over at the bottom. So I take out all that wax from all the candles and I melt it. I pour it into some kind of a mold or some kind of a vessel and add some wick there and make it rest till it freezes. To make the wick, I simply take some cotton bud. I dip it in some hot wax and a layer of wax covers that cotton bud. It burns really well and it has been working for me from past 2 years. However, if there is any other solution, do share it with me. It is not only with candles. I try my best to make use of all the resources sustainably, and I believe everyone should follow the practice of reduce, reuse, and recycle. It not only makes the newness alive in things, but it also sparks your creative side. So be happy, be creative. See ya.